Hello, I just want to clarify something before we move on. I made subtle mistake in the previous video and I'm really sorry. And the reason why it keeps showing successfully created a new user even though the email is duplicated because I forgot to add something important to the validation part in saving the database, which is in here. I forgot to add return. So that's why it doesn't return the error even though the email is duplicated. So let's go back to Postman and let's go ahead and kind of like send it again because RH3 is already saved to database. As you can see, RH3 is actually created in the database. So let's go back to Postman and let's go ahead and send it. All right. So if you send it, it will kind of like show this error where duplicate key error. The email has been duplicated and has been saved in the database, so that's why you cannot send the same email again. So let's change this to 10. Let's see what's gonna happen. So after you change it, it has successfully created a new user because the email itself is no longer duplicated. It is a new email. So let's go back to Mongo Lab and refresh the page. And as you can see, there's another document and the email is rhdan@gmail.com. So before we move on and end this video, I'll kind of like want to go back to the models, which is user.js, and I want to kind of like remind you guys that remember where we actually wrote this function where we hash the password before we even save it to the database. So if you go back to Mongo Lab and if you check properly right here, or okay, let's go to rh2@gmail. As you can see, the password is a weird combination of alphabets, numbers, and as well as symbol. So the hashing algorithm is actually it's working. It's actually generating 10 different rounds of data, random data, and it passes to the bcrypt.hash, and it kind of like do some function between this user password and salt. If it's success, then simply produce the hash and kind of like set it to user.password. So, and in the next video, you will write your first templating EJS. So stay tuned. Bye.